Hello guys, welcome to another English lesson. Today we want to talk about an important topic, simple present tense. It's also important for our speaking. So, are you ready for a start? Let's go. At first, I want to talk about that when we use simple present tense. Actually, we use this tense for two things. First one is for facts. What's the meaning of facts? It means that these things is always true. Like, for example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. This is a fact because never it doesn't change. Or, for example, I want to say another fact. A day has 24 hours. Or one day has 24 hours. It's a fact and it is always true. The other one, the second one, for repeated actions like our routine. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Or I go to work every day. Okay? It's not important that it is every day, every week, every month, every year. The important thing is that it is repeating. Okay? It is repeating. Now we want to learn positive form of simple present, negative form, and question form. Okay? For positive form, we have two shapes. For I, you, we, and they subject, we just add simple word like look, walk, talk. Okay? We don't need anything else. But for she, he, its subject, we have to add verb plus s, like looks, like walks, like talks. Okay, she talks, he talks. Okay? Now, the important part of this is that in negative form of simple present, we need auxiliary verb. Okay? What is auxiliary verb? They help us to make a sentence negative or question. In this sense, we use don't and doesn't for making sentence negative and do, does for make the sentence question. Now, what is happening? Look at here. For making sentence negative for I, you, we, and they subjects, we use don't plus our simple verb. And if our subjects are she, he, and it, we need doesn't. And after that, we have simple verb. Be careful about that. After doesn't, our verb has to be simple. It doesn't have s. Okay? And for question form, we use do for I, you, we, they subjects, and does for he, she, and its subject, plus our simple verb. Again, because we have does, we don't use s for she, he, and it. Okay, now we want to do two examples together. Are you ready? Okay, I start with the first example. I go to university every week. I go to university every week. So, it is a positive form, and because our subject is I, the verb is simple, go. Now I want to make it negative. We need auxiliary verb, don't, plus our simple verb. I don't go to university every week. I don't go to university every week. And for make it question, we have to replace our subject and our auxiliary verb. Do I go to university every week? Short answers, yes I do, no I don't. Okay, the other example is with she. She cooks food every day. She cooks food every day. As you can see, in positive form, our verb has S. For making negative, we need doesn't plus our simple verb. She doesn't cook food every day. And for making question, we need to replace our auxiliary verb and subject. Does she cook food every day? Again, our verb hasn't got S. Short answers, yes she does, no she doesn't. Okay guys, it was everything about simple present tense. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe my channel, and leave comments for me. Thank you. See you. Bye.